Imagine this for a moment. Think about the last time you sent a project update. Did every stakeholder react the same? Probably not. Now let's picture this. What if your update could automatically adjust to each person's style? Well, that's what personalized AI communication in an AI driven project management is all about. Think of one stakeholder in your current project, just one. Got them in mind? Good. Now, let me ask you this question. Do they prefer short, high-level summaries or detailed breakdown? Do they respond faster to emails or chat? Do they like visuals or plain text? Do they want update frequently or do they want updates when things changes? So most of us guess the answer, but AI doesn't have to guess. AI looks at the real pattern in how people communicate, how quickly they respond, their tone of voice, the format they engage with, and help us to tailor this message in order to fit their needs. So instead of sending the same updates to the entire stakeholder list, AI helps you to send the right message to the right person at the right time. Oh, by the way, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ada and I love helping project managers use AI to communicate smarter, not harder. How does AI achieve this? AI will analyze patterns from past interactions such as email response, preferred meeting format, tone, sentiment, frequency of engagement, channels that they use, mostly maybe emails, chat, phone, dashboards, and the topics that they care or react strongly to. So what AI will do is that AI will identify who prefers short summaries versus detailed reports, who responds faster on Teams versus email, who needs more frequent checking, who prefers asynchronous updates, and who engages best with visual board. Why does this really matter? It matters because it helps you to respond faster, tailor your communication, engage stakeholders the way that they need to be engaged, build trust, and also increase any clarity that you need to give to the stakeholders. So let's dive in using AI for personalized communication. For the personalized communication, we built a prompt whereby we told AI to be a senior project manager leading a CRM system development project for a mid-sized retail company. The project involves multiple stakeholders. We listed the stakeholders, the executive sponsor, the IT director, sales and end users, and also the external vendors. We provided some of the challenges the project might have. They have different communication preferences and expectations. Traditional one-size-fits-all communication often leads to disengagement, misinformation, or frustration. Always understand that for AI, you have to give it the right information in order for it to provide the information that you need. Then we now told AI to analyze those stakeholder preference and past interaction, then design a personalized communication plan for each stakeholder. And we also told it that in its response, it should please identify each stakeholder's role, priority, and communication style, determine the best channel, frequency, and format for each stakeholder, create a tailored communication schedule or plan, then explain how they approach improve engagement, satisfaction, and project success. The last one we did put is consider potential downside and how to address it. We did provide some of the stakeholder preferences and past interaction. For the executive sponsor, the past interaction is he responds quickly to concise email with clear ROI metrics, rarely attend technical meeting, but engage in quarterly steering committee session. Prefer visual dashboard over long report. Preference is strategic, high level updates only. Communication channel is usually email, frequency is bi-weekly. Tailored strategy, we also provided a one-page dashboard with ROI, budget strategy, and milestone progress. Something you have to avoid is avoid technical jargons, focus on business impact. Same information we provided for the IT director over here and how we're going to engage the director. Same for the the sales team lead over here. End users, we also provided some of the past interaction preferences and tailored strategy. For the external vendor, we also provided some of the information that we know with respect to the past interaction, their preferences, and some of their tailored strategy. We'll be using this information, adding it to Copilot, and allowing it to give us some of those personalized communication plan. When I added the information to Copilot, it gave me a comprehensive communication plan for this project. It tailored it with respect to each and every of those stakeholders. Let's go through the executive sponsor. So for the executive sponsor, it states the roles and priorities. He wants to know, are we on track, on budget, and delivering value? Communication style for it is concise, visual, and non-technical. Prefers a dashboard and short summary. Then it shows me some of the best communication channels that I can use, like an email, or executive dashboard. Frequency might be bi-weekly or milestone based. Then the formats, these are some of the formats I have there. Always double check with them to find out that those communication styles meet their needs. This is just AI. We always need to confirm as a human. So double check if that meets their needs, then you can always document it and start meeting up, communicating with the stakeholders that way. The second one is the IT director. We also have how they want their communication style being detailed, technical, and structured. Best channel is usually email, or you can use the PM tools. Frequency, weekly, and tailored plan, you also have it all written here with respect to the weekly meetings and real-time updates that they do have. The third person we have is the sales team. We all have it here, their communication style, best channel, formats, frequency, and any tailored plan. Then we also have the end users, in which has been documented here with respect to their roles, priority, communication style, best channel, and tailored plan. Going through this, you can be able to look at each and every information provided to Copilot, double checking it, ensuring it meets the needs of the stakeholder, then proceeding with respect to how they want their needs to be met. Also, the last one we have is for the external vendor. We also have their information there and understanding how we can communicate with them, the best channel, tailored plan. What it did provide us is with kind of a tabular format of how those communication will happen. What are the stakeholders, the frequency, the channel, the format, and also the owner. The CEO, he wants it by weekly and milestone. The channel can be email, one page summary, and the PM is the owner. We also have some for the IT director, the owner of the reports and who to send the report will be the PM and the technical team. It has to be, the format has to be a technical update. Email communication plan will be email, and he likes it weekly. Sales team also have it as bi-weekly. It can be the PM or BA that sends those reports. It can be through demo or email, or feature demo plus screenshots can be format. Then we also have the sales team. The owner is the training lead. It can be weekly updates or through milestone updates, and it provided some of the formats. The last we have here is the external vendor, and it can be the vendor lead who communicates with them or the PM, and the frequency is usually milestone based. Then communication channel, and also the formats can be checklist, sign off, or spec. So with this information, I can be able to take it, build a comprehensive communication plan, meet up with my stakeholders, have those communication touch points with them, always double check even in between the projects that some of those communication plans still holds, or if they want, if anything has changed, if they want to be communicated in another way. So I will always use this information to ensure that my project is going as planned. Okay, so tell me what you think about this, using this prompt in order to build a consolidated communication schedule and plan. Hope to see you again in our next video, and thank you for listening. Bye.